Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back nezingani zesithembu. Can we start ngoMpilo nomama wakhe, right? uMpilo nomama wakhe, they had that conversation also nabobamakhe kahle kahle. They had that conversation where they were continuing about indaba yenhlawulo / lobola / whatever, and inkomo now has been increased to 4 cows. And in that conversation it was like yo angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, but at this point I think ukuthi Mpilo's mom is getting paid as well, because Ugoro is appearing in every season, the biological mother that is. But I also loved how she did not say anything or dispute or become snacks, because I was looking at her facial expression when Umakhumalo said Umpilo as umntana kaThobile noMusa. I guess at least as in they are grooming this child and raising her together in harmony, yo, as in like that touched me. You guys know ukuthi I've got a soft spot for Umakhumalo and I don't hide it, right? So with that said, kwakhuluma kwabanaleyo kumbaya, and then in their not understanding each other, Umakhumalo wafonela uMusa Mseleku, uMusa wakhuluma nomama kaMpilo. In the discussion kaMusa nomama kaMpilo, the conclusion was inkomo vele zoba yi4, but angeke bambulale uMusa, bazomnika nje into ebonakalayo. So I think ukuthi because umama kaMpilo, the biological mom, is cordial with uMusa, that was also nice to see, to say we always thinking ukuthi because this whole thing is dragging, they're fighting, but we know ukuthi there are a lot of cultural things that might need to be in place that some of us might not understand because we are not from the same background or whatever. Nibizan ngesilungu ya lerking ya imara tlhalohanya re ke nyoko reng. So with that said, it looks like Ugo's thingy is going to be again on next season, but if it does play on next season and they discuss this whole lobola thing, I am personally going to take a loan. Like I said on my TikTok video, I am going to take a loan from African Bank, loan from FNB, loan from Capitec, loan from Absa, loan from everywhere, so that I can pay those damages and we can move on with another storyline in that regard. Then, Abongwe decided to visit Usiswake. Usine. They went together nomntana kibo, and as they were there, they started talking and they slept over, right? Sleeping over in the morning, I decided ke umamsine ukuthi no, swenza spring cleaning endlu enkulu la kuhlala khona uMusa Mseleku endlini enkulu, le memele ihlale umayeni, no, because umayeni eyakhe, I mean umacele rather, because umacele yakhe indlu ile hlala ulona musi. Okay, indlu kaMseleku ke asiyibekeni kanjalo. They cleaned the house. It was all nice. And then I love how they have an understanding now. They're able to talk and do things together. And even if they do not agree, they're able to be cordial. So mabaloko ba busy ba clean abenzani, they called Utirelo, right? And in their discussion with Utirelo, they asked Utirelo how is she feeling, how has anybody been introduced. Utirelo explained Uti yes, Amahle has been introduced, and she was also asked how is she feeling about it, and Ugo was like neither nor there or nor there, because at the end of the day Sibindi uhlala anomuntu on standby. Umuntu uhlala usibindi uhlala nomuntu, you know ukuthi makuphuma lo definitely kuzongena omunye. So it's not shocking to her, right? Then they asked her how does it make her feel. I feel, Mina, from her answer, it's unsettling, but she understands that she put herself in a position of polygamy. Uguti, is she going to be able to stand for it forever? We don't know. But what we do know is that at this point, uyamthanda umfana. Hayi ke ugeli abe ne date nomuntu wakhe. Ubani Utirelo manje. In the date nomuntu wakhe, kube mnandi, ba angene ugeli aqabanga ukuthi uzongena uzothola ama apologies. Hayi kuhlalwe phansi, bese kuhlalwe phansi girl doesn't get an apology, and like she now addresses all her issues that she has, and she speaks about priorities that Usbindi needs to put in place. One of the priorities being the child going to crash because umntwana angeke akwazi ukuhlala ekhaya. Then Usbindi was like, no, but it's a priority to you. Mina, I cannot take 3,300 and go pay a crash for umntwana lele. For me, if there's a challenge, bring the child here, Mzumbe, and then the matter could be solved. I, to some extent, like I said in my TikTok video, I agree with Usbindi to say our priorities might not be the same. What you deem as important might not necessarily be important to me. Thus, child going to crèche and sleeping the whole day for 3,300 is not making sure. No, for Tirelo, the child staying at home and sleeping the whole day without extramural activities given by people that are qualified does not make sense. So their priorities are different in this regard. They just have to bring themselves to a common ground where they will agree to say what is in the best interest of the child. So bangena ke kundaba yama priorities, and Usbindi had the guts to call umuntu wakhe uMiss Priority. Ngathi yes wena, like Usbindi right now is showing the true colors. Usbindi is doing exactly what she did to Uvuyokazi to Utirelo. Why am I saying that? Utirelo used to get first-hand information. Utirelo was not, I understand why she's a bit upset. She used to get first-hand information. She did not need to snoop in Usbindi's phone to get information. Usbindi would volunteer the news to her. In that way, she thought Uguti, she's got the upper hand and her relationship with Usbindi is different. But now that Uvuyokazi is no more, we're seeing Usbindi is now changing. Agasamnikez lento bekamnikeza yona before. Now Utirelo is saying she's not necessarily interested in the lobola. However, she's not happy ukuthi kuzolotsholwa lo qalo amahle afike nini kanjani. And my question is, I don't know if you guys will understand me or not. If you are not interested in being lobolat and in being someone's wife as yet, and you know that this man is a polygamist, why do you want to know who he wants to lobola after dating for how long? That should not even be a factor, because when you should be just looking at your relationship and maybe come to a common ground to say Miss Priority is going to prioritize what and Ninzan. For me, the conversation was fruitless because now they are addressing Guti Ubanyolo Nini, excuse me, which does not benefit their relationship. So for me, the argument was just fruitless. Angenege Amahle and girl laughed Utirelo. She laughed so hard. And Amahle was like, I wonder Ugusi Ushlega nan. I think for me, I might be wrong. Hey, this is just history repeating itself, and I'm staring right at it. Remember in the beginning, ama girlfriends bewalethwa kumamhlophekazi, right? Aletha kumamhlophekazi ama girlfriend. Now the girlfriends are being brought to her. Now she's the one that the girlfriends are supposed to see. Now everybody that's coming in comes in through her or via her or whatever. Now she's the mini hierarchy right now. The introduction in iyenzwa bayazi basuke bazi ukuthi kunoTirelo, and then you guys are gonna meet Tirelo, and they all come prepared to meet Utirelo. And now there was a situation where he needed to be dished up for, and none of them agreed. And I'm asking myself, when they are wives, how are they going to do it? Because Usbindi has shown Uguti he's a traditional man and he's going to walk in his father's footsteps. So I don't know Uguti abo girl bazoyibamba kanjani. Also, in the review, it looked like guy uyolobola Amahle qala. Remember, I did ask a question to say, because Amahle was ebukhosini, does it make sense for her to be second wife culturally? Because I know from the things the TV shows that we've been watching, when you are born from Ebukhosini, you need to be married as the first wife, and then the person's love, that person's love of their life will come second, but royalty had to be the first in line. So I don't know, guys, but what I do know is that Usibindi is doing exactly what he did Kutirelo to exactly what he did to Uvoyakazi, he's now doing it to Utirelo, where he was able to be transparent with everything to Utirelo and hid things from Uvuyokazi. Now it's Utirelo that needs to dig through phone to find information, whereas Ekaleni information came to her kahle straight. Ugel for mina at this point uyagowisha, but I might be wrong. So what did you think about the episode? This is your girl Adisebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.